In a matter of hours, on one of the wildest days in college sports realignment history, the Mountain West Conference, MWC, shifted from stability to the brink of dissolution. The catalyst? University of Nevada, Las Vegas, UNLV. The once seemingly unshakable Mountain West now finds itself on unstable ground, hinging on the decisions of a few key schools. By accepting an offer to join the Pac-12, UNLV could set off a domino effect that ultimately dismantles the MWC. The Pac-12 is making aggressive moves to rebuild, seeking to poach top programs from its sister conference. This move is partly driven by survival instincts, as the Pac-12 needs to quickly meet NCAA and College Football Playoff (CFP) requirements for football membership. The Rebels would fill the Pac-12's eighth slot, joining a mix of traditional and new faces. Oregon State, Washington State, Boise State, Colorado State, San Diego State, Fresno State, and Utah State. It's a conglomeration of the top half of the old Mountain West and the bottom of the old Pac-12. UNLV's choice holds more weight than just filling a slot. Their exit would drop Mountain West membership to 6 football teams and 5 full members, since Hawaii is a football-only member. The move could compel Air Force to negotiate more seriously with the American Athletic Conference, AAC, stepping closer to departing the MWC. Air Force's potential exit would set the stage for Mountain West dissolution, requiring support from 9 of the 12 football members, an easily attainable number if just 2 more schools decide to leave. The Pac-12 might invite a couple more MWC teams to dodge the hefty $120 million in exit and penalty fees. Bold and unprecedented, such a dissolution would mean closing conference offices, letting go of staff, and erasing the Mountain West brand from the college sports map. Ironically, the Pac-12 is now doing to the Mountain West what was nearly done to it by the Big Ten and Big 12. The Big Ten and Big 12's poaching efforts failed to completely dismantle the Pac-12 brand, but now the tables have turned. Yet, it could all come down to the boardrooms of UNLV. A recent binding agreement among 8 of the Mountain West's remaining schools briefly ensured stability. However, Utah State's last-minute decision to leave has shaken that fragile equilibrium. Any hope of rebuilding to 8 members would necessitate a fresh agreement, something now in jeopardy. The UNLV's pending decision could accelerate the Mountain West's end, initiating a chain reaction towards its dissolution. The future of the conference may be hanging by a thread, delicately balanced on the decisions being made in real time. One school's decision could alter the landscape of college football, setting the stage for a new era of conference alignments and rivalries, while ending another. The outcome is expected soon, as early as Tuesday, setting the stage for perhaps one of the most consequential decisions in college sports history.